I use flaxseed gel for my hair today, and I'll be sharing with you the process and everything that is involved, ranging from the preparation to the application, the juices, everything you need to know basically about using flaxseed gel for your hair. It is suitable for all hair type. So this is actually, how my hair looks like. It is really dry and crusty and whatnot. So I sectioned it into 6 parts, and this is how it currently looks like after I use the flaxseed gel. As you can see, it is so hydrated. So yeah, I'll explain this much later in the video, but for now, let's just get through the process. So this is the style of the show, flaxseed. This is how it actually looks like. This is the brown, shiny looking seeds. Come back on it. This is the brush I'll be using for the tangling and the applicator bottle to apply the flaxseed gel. And this is castor oil and flaxseed. So I'll be showing you how I use castor oil infused in the flaxseed gel. So this is the style of the show, like I earlier stated, and yeah, I'll be taking you guys through the whole process. One thing about flaxseed is that it is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which is actually very, very beneficial for your hair. It promotes healthy hair, shiny hair. You can use it to detangle your hair. So we'll be using rosemary in this whole mixture, right? And as we all know, rosemary has a lot of benefits for hair growth. It has been used in different forms, the water, the oil, just name it. Rosemary is packed with a lot of vitamins that will strengthen your hair. So this is what we use to save our gel. And yeah, all you need to do is get a pot, and I'm actually putting like 4 spoons of flaxseed in the pot. So you can actually follow this process if you didn't fit. Everything does depend on how full your hair is, how bouncy your hair is, and all of that. And yeah, we move. So I'm putting 3 cups of water to prepare this mixture. So like I said, it depends on you. If your hair is quite full, you can do more and add more seeds, right? So you need to be monitoring it. You cover this up, and I'll be adding half tablespoon of rosemary leaves. You can add like 1 spoon as you didn't fit, like I earlier stated. So after this had simmered for like 1 minute 30 seconds, I just poured in the half spoon of rosemary leaves. The reason why I'm adding it is for extra benefit, because rosemary is packed, like I earlier stated. So I want that extra benefit for my hair. I want my hair to be stronger than it looks, because currently my hair has been having shedding and all of that. I know shedding is normal, but at some point it was looking like as if it was in excess and all of that, and I don't want that moving on. So that is why I'm trying my possible best to prioritize Ayurvedic herbs again, because when I introduced Ayurvedic herbs in my routine, I saw a lot of difference. My hair became better, there was less breakage, the shedding was at minimal and all of that. So why not go back to the basics? So all I'm doing right here is to section my hair into 6 for easy application, because my hair is quite full and I cannot just pour the whole mixture on my hair without sectioning it. So that's what I'm basically doing here. So take a moment to admire this black, shiny looking fuzzy hair. So I'm done here, and I'm just trying to show you how it looks like. Now that I'm done with this part of the whole process, all I will need to do is head over to the shower so that I'll start my application process. The reason is I don't want everywhere to be littered with the flaxseed gel. So this is how our mixture is looking like. It has already come to a rolling boil, and yeah, that okay, it is time for us to sieve it and all of that. So I left it for longer because I wanted it to be thicker, and this is what came of the mixture. So anyway, I strained it, and voila, the mixture was way smaller than I expected, to be very honest. This cannot even go anywhere for my hair. You guys saw my hair before, and it became too thick because I left it, and the longer it stays, the more thicker it becomes. So I actually put back the seed on fire, put water, and when the water boiled for a bit, I poured it into the gel that's thickened, and this is what we are having. And I put it back again on fire. That's the water that was remaining in the pot, and I just turned the remaining one afterwards so that I'll have like a final mixture. So whenever your gel is extremely thick, you don't need to fret. All you need to do is boil extra water in your residue, that's your seeds that you have strained earlier, because to still have some gel in it. So you can put water in it, put it back on the fire, and before the thing becomes thick again, you pour it into the previously thickened gel, and voila, you're good to go. So I'm actually putting two cover full of castor oil because I want that extra shine, and castor oil promises to be amazing for hair in general. I love the consistency of this oil. So just to cover full is okay. Mix that up and transfer this into the applicator bottle. So this is what we'll be working with, and yeah, this will be more than enough for my hair, to be very honest. So transfer this into your applicator bottle. The reason why I'm using applicator bottle is because for easy application, and I will not mess everywhere with the gel once it is in this bottle. So for you to get this particular bottle, I have an Amazon link in description. Just click it and get yours, and you're good to go. So the next clip you actually be seeing is me trying to apply it on my hair. So I go section by section. I'm starting with the first one. All I will do is to start applying on this hair. As you can see, this particular section is dry, so I'll just take my applicator bottle already filled with the flaxseed gel, then I apply it. Can you see the consistency of this gel? I really liked it. I liked the way this one came out. It was not too thick, it was not too watery, it was just okay for my hair. So you apply from the roots to the tip of your hair. Ensure that you press in the product. I have low porosity. I'm sure I've said this like a couple of times. So yeah, that is why I have no choice but to press in products, because low porosity does not easily absorb products. That's basically the reason why I massage products into my hair. But nonetheless, regardless of your porosity, still massage products in your hair. It makes it better. So after I'm done, I'll twist that up and repeat the same process for the remaining 5 sessions. So that's just basically what I do. Twist it up and move on to the next. So anytime you are handling this product, ensure that you're patient, ensure that you have like a lot of time to do this whole process, because it took me quite some time. The preparation, the transferring to the applicator bottle, application of my hair and all of that, washing of my hair, because after this I proceed to wash my hair. This is just a pre-poo treatment, right? So basically I do this and shampoo my hair, and it took a while. So ensure that this is what you need to do that particular day and you're not distracted. So like I said, you repeat the same process all around and you're good to go. So this is what we're working with. The first part of my hair, that's half of my hair, right, is done and dusted. We'll move on to the next. So voila, this is it. This is how it's going. I really like this process. This particular one is way better than the first flaxseed gel application I did. It is still on my page. Just scroll, you would actually find it. That one was really messy. I was not using an applicator bottle. I had to improvise, and it's just a lot. It was quite chaotic, but this one is really nice. I'm sure that's the sole purpose of applicator bottle, to make your application really easy. So like I said, the Amazon link is in my description box so that you can get yours. So I have a whole lot of videos for you to learn from, DIYs that will help your hair and strengthen your hair. If your hair is too dry, brittle, whatnot, try flaxseed gel for pre-poo treatment. So all you need to do is to leave this in your hair for like 30 to 45 minutes. Then you rinse it off and start shampooing your hair. From shampooing, you deep condition, rinse that off. Then after your hair is damp, you can apply leave-in conditioner and detangle gently, and you're good to go. So one good thing about this gel is that it just does the job. Your hair becomes hydrated. As you can see, my hair is really hydrated, yeah. And when I was actually applying this, I realized that my hair has actually grown. If you know my hair right from when I started hair content, you know that my hair is actually grown to a large extent, and I'm really glad that I'm putting in a lot of effort in my hair. I'm doing the low manipulation hairstyle. I'm taking care of my edges. I'm using DIYs like I always advise you guys to do. This is actually like an evidence. You can see I'm using DIY as much as possible. So if you need, the applicator bottle, if you need the tangling comb, if you need, hair fertilizer cream, the link is in the description. And also I have like an ebook where I've explained all the hair growth process I actually did to get to this length. So just click the link, the seller link in the description, and get yours, because we need to grow that hair. This is 2026 and we need to grow that hair long, bouncy and healthy. And I've shared my tips and tricks in the ebook, so get it. It is yours for life. Once you buy it or once you get it, you have access to it for life. So this is the other part of my hair. I'm just trying to exhaust the gel that I have, so that I know that my hair is fully nourished and good to go. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Like, your subscription would actually go a long way, and most importantly, watch my videos. It really mean a whole lot to me. I'm glad that you watched up to this point. That shows that you enjoyed this content. Ensure you knock yourself out with other content moving on. So after I do this whole process, I try to detangle my hair. Yes, while you apply the gel, you can detangle your hair before shampooing, because the gel will make it easier for comb or brush to glide through. So I'll be showing you that using the detangled wet brush. It is also linked in the description box. Feel free to get it and knock yourself out. Make your detangling process much more easier. I am your favorite hair coach. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and would you be trying flaxseed gel one of these days? If yes, let me know in the comment section. If you've tried it before, let me also know your experience. Let people know that it works, and the experience is actually wholesome. And if you've had like a contrary experience, still share with us. We would love to learn from you. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho.